In a vast, shimmering ocean, there lived a humble Nautilus named Nim. Nim was not the largest, nor the smallest, but he was the wisest in the sea. One day, a great storm swept across the ocean, causing a massive upheaval. Nim, being a deep-sea dweller, knew that the storm would pass, but the lesser creatures feared for their lives. A small crab, Crusty, approached Nim, seeking advice. "Nim," he said, "the storm is too much for me. I fear for my safety." Nim, with his wise eyes, said, "Crusty, storms come and go. The wise find shelter, the foolish venture out. You have a shell, use it to protect yourself." Crusty looked at his hard, protective shell and realized he had underestimated its value. He retreated to a safe, hidden cave, where he weathered the storm. When the storm passed, the other creatures marveled at Crusty's survival. "How did you do it?" they asked. Crusty, with newfound wisdom, shared Nim's advice. From that day forward, the ocean's creatures learned to appreciate their unique qualities and the importance of using them wisely. Nim, the humble Nautilus, became a beacon of wisdom, reminding everyone that strength lies not in size, but in understanding. And so, the moral of the story is, embrace your unique qualities and use them wisely, for in doing so, you will find strength and wisdom.